Eliminated. On the trigger. Time to get to work, Shadows. Good attack. Coney knows we're here. Launching missile.
On flyover.
Copy that. UAV is on station. Skyhook imminent. Bravo. Cook yourself in.
Guys, attach yourself to the target. Ready, Captain. Don't mind if I do.
Good chat.
When you beg him for your lives, he won't let you have them! Uwidzę się panu!
Tayo na. That's right.
Gunner, cover him into the target building. Do not fire on the hangars until the chemicals are located. We want to hand Makarov a win. Beauty.
Cockpit voice recorder that is a crucial part of the investigation.
Video from passenger cell phones could also shed
Hours
light on
after a missile attack on Arklov military base.
suffered massive casualties.
No, no, please, there are more.
Clear them out, boss. Moving on. Fuck, that was a civilian. Get down.
Wind power.
Diapers.
Ano?
Na.
Special na yung yung ano ko, energy plus dalawa na yung stats na nakukuha ko sa niluluto ko kasi
Hanapin pa ang bait. Kailangan ba dito?
may 8 pa ako. Ubusin ko na lang tong 8.
Busin mo na lang.
Oo.
8 na lang natira sa 100 plus na binigay ko. Tries.
Parang kasama sa dailies.
Excuse me.
Oh, World 4.
Z...
Weird lang, di ko rin kayo makita sa mapa.
So, invite to trade.
Tapos... Ano ulit yung ibibigay ko sa'yo?
We secured the lead. Reloading.
Ano mo? Generator? Ay, yung hydro?
Nung ano?
Hostile units in the area. Taking the lead. Secure. Kill confirmed.
Na player kasi meron palang yung bunny something, hindi yung bunny ni DZ, ibang klaseng rabbit na nakukuha mo lang pag chinap mo.
Check fire. That's a civilian. Get to safety. Go. Vehicle incoming. Get to cover.
Oh, World 4.
Z...
Weird lang, di ko rin kayo makita sa mapa.
So, invite to trade.
Tapos ano ulit yung ibibigay ko sa'yo? Ano nga lang natin? Mahirap.
Sige, lapit ako konti.
Long range din pala siya, oh. Yung mga lumilipad na bala niya. Hindi siya sa map. Clouds lang siya.
Unexplored yata sa amin. O kaya mo
Ayaw
kami
nga.
dalhin.
Sige nga, try ko nga kung pwede. Nga pala, hindi pa
Christ almighty. You said it, son. Ghost and I are 10 mics out. Let's bag this bastard. Out here. Makarov threatened the airport and he hit the stadium instead. Holds the lead. Clock's ticking. Keep him close. All stations, we have Makarov moving to the extract. Roger that, John. They'll fight to get him back. We're counting on it. Right, take him left.
sa ako hinata.
Sige.
Ayoko lang Yun lang yung napanood ko rin. Kaya yung ginawa ko.
The one pony is launching a plane. West end of the tarmac. Copy. Coney jet. Marking target.
Pero
Hindi
level
mo- hindi mo
36
malabas
eh.
mapa eh.
Level 36 ako.
Hey, nandito ako, huwag kayong mag-alala.
Teleport tayo. Paano ba
Game na, teleport na kayo.
Wala akong teleport
Walang
sa akin.
teleport sa akin eh.
Naka... Tara? Teka, backpack. Basta bala mo. Ay, puno pa rin. Ano pa bang kailangan kong i-drop?
Go! Get out of here now!
No, Alex, I'll find you.
Moving here.
Thinking will get you any closer to Vladimir.
We'll see about that.
There's multiple Kony Group accounts hiding in plain sight. Several recent transfers to Zordaya prison.
The Gulag. Money for Makarov's escape. X-rays down.
Sa kaliwa may ladder.
Happy.
Both sides pala meron. Diyan na lang ako.
Signal says there's something close. Look for it.
Если они придут, то мы их встретим. Я хочу, чтобы все знали, что мы ни перед кем не остановимся. Мужчины они, женщины или дети. Ясно?
9. Press 9. Tapos cast the fishing rod.
Trace.
Parang kasama sa dailies.
Excuse me.
Paano gamitin itong cosmetic token?
Ano na, monolith na ako.
Monolith? Sige.
Pero, ilan pa kulang mo? Dalawa pa, no? Or isa?
Saan?
Yung Rift Anchor.
Confirming next hard point. Hard point compromised. Secure the area. He just airborne. We got big problems. Jet taking off. Love from above. Gunner, take out the jet. They're cooked. Shoot in front of them.
I'll take him. It's not safe here. We need to move.
You're not safe anywhere.
Your luck's running dry, Makarov.
I don't believe in luck.
Security.
Kony Group.
The intel included blueprints and the lay of the land.
What are we looking for? We can't roll up Molina.
Not legally, but we can roll up her money.
Throw in smoke.
Yung injection. Tingnan ko injection.
Yung heal.
Ano, meron ba pala akong extra? Okay lang pala.
Dun sa sinabi ko, hindi ko pa napupuntahan. Yung area natin malapit. To, sa east. Ba to?
Is
Layo 7, patay pa rin ako.
paano pumasok dyan? Kailangan natin umakyat. Walang entrance dito eh.
Minutes pa eh.
Saan ba yung timer? Hindi ko nakikita.
Ay, nasa
Nga,
sa
meron
upper
pa
left.
din. 5 minutes. Wala na kumakagat ah.
Lipat akong pwesto. Diyan niya ako pala tayo. Sa area na.
Kung gusto mo yung Richie kasi dalawa.
Sige, Richie muna tayo.
Okay, kunin muna natin yung teleportation tower. Teka, tulog muna ako.
Bilis
Tsaka-
maka, ano nung... Equip tong, ano,
Okay, sardinas nga lang.
H or
H? Oo nga na, H.
yung
Okay na, gets. Thank you. Ihabol pa ako.
Deploy. Moving here. Target area updated. Move to inside the perimeter. Friendly UAV on station.
ano pa kulang mo?
Ito lang yung side quest lang.
Ah, okay.
Place
Yung
the book.
blue?
Oo.
Ay, sa simbahan. May hindi nag-ready. Sino to? Ay,
Oh.
okay. sapatos. Huntsman. Kailangan. Paano ba bakit dito?
Ikot kaya yata dapat eh.
Big little shadow graves, yeah?
Makarov's dead, Captain. Don't let him live inside your head. Eagle out.
Shepard only sees what.
Ano?
Na.
Special na yung yung ano ko, energy plus dalawa na yung stats na nakukuha ko sa niluluto ko. Kasi
I'm not going out like this. I want my name on a win. Check your inbox, Kate. I'll be in touch.
Saan banda?
Kung nasaan na ako. Wait lang, di ba pala katin?
Ito nga.
Out. Uwi na ako pag nakahanap na siguro ito ng ilo.
sige ah.
Uwi ako. Sarap na. Ako. Yung natubig.
Ano to? Flight stick ka? Paper doll? Ano ko akong paper doll?
That's what we're in.
Copy. Find that buyer and get that drive, John.
Team 1, push downstairs with us. Copy. Contact! Get up!
Three nasa parang beach sila nun eh. Tapos 4 bumalik siya sa city. Yung di ko pa nalalaro yung ano, yung Like a Dragon tsaka yung huling-huli ni Kiryu.
Natin na. Gasa.
We're about to be overrun! Yankee gunning on station. Enemy at the exit point.
Tulog ako. Ano guys sa akin? May glass, hindi ko malapit na. Malapit na ako.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Sobrang bigat na ng
Heads up for hostiles coming your way.
She was forced. I'm sure of it. Samara. She was a good fighter. Joined my forces during the occupation. Left to raise her family.
What happened at the crash site?
Ito, 72. Okay na to. 72%. Ay, isda. Lutuin ko muna yung isda para kay...
I'm reloading! Taking the lead. Hardpoint compromised. Secure the area.
Huwag ka na lumaban. Akin ka na. Lala, malaban.
Ito, il na to.
Uy, maling angle ko.
Dere, tapusin ko muna yung Like a Dragon.
Ay,
Dami ko pang di tapos sa laro eh. Yung Persona 3 nga, di ko pa tapos.
Naano lang ako dyan. Na dun sa... Left TP na tayo.
Try nyo yung gawin yung
Tara, Big 12, Big 12.
Gusto mo sumama?
Ayan.
Teleport na tayo. Mamaya.
G.
Meron, uric acid.
Nando sa ano?
Ay, naputol na naman. Yeah, teleport. Dito yung may mga level 50, di ba? Nandito na ako.
Near these vehicles, we move up. Rog, get going. Clear. Move.
I'm reloading! Taking the lead. Hardpoint compromised. Secure the area.
Naksaya sa bala to.
هلا حلوة.
شكرا.
What did that work?
Go!
Hostile Mosquito is online.
Yun.
Ito.
Hindi ka naman nagpe-play, paano ka lalakas?
Snipe tayo dito.
Naka-blue na ba yung sniper mo?
Tapos,
Blue na ba yan? Okay, hindi may dalawang pula. Ito, nakita ko na isa.
sige. Uwi ka muna sa bahay o may gagawin ka?
Hindi.
Yung ano, kailangan natin bumalik dito, Taco eh. Clear natin yung rift. Maraming puntos yan.
Kaya nga eh.
Nagka
PP. One shot.
Heal ka, heal.
Eh, isa, akin na to. Patay.
Pinning the blame on Farah.
And the United States.
He's playing with fire. False flag operations. He wants a war. East versus
Bigatan ng bag ko.
Meron din
Operation Chiron. Ano rin.
Operation.
Enemy tanks destroyed. Good. Hate those fucking things. Enemy vehicle to the north. Copy. Marking. Gunner, target those vehicles.
Wala akong pasensya eh. Ay, Barracuda. 2.21 kilograms, oh. Laki. Mulutang, oh.
took down the guards on the access to the VIP area. On the third floor, let's move. Contact! Top of the stairs!
Ilan ba isda ako? Dami kong isda. Ah, ito. Barracuda. Just, ano siya? Ito muna.
Bury Makarov and his fucking chemicals.
Copy that.
Shadow 1, ground team is clear. Level the hangars.
Gunner, send it.
Yung balloon, baka may, ano na to, mini-fister lang to.